Peace and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, the Earl of Arizona. You are now shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is where you're at. Coming with love from AZ. This is StereoFix 888, a channel about growth, personal development, doing the damn thing. And I can tell you this, I can't save you. And I ain't here to tell you what to do, but what I can do is show you how I'm saving myself. And right about now, I'm here to tell you this, man. YouTube on easy mode? Where's that at? Alright, so they may have switched up a few things for you. But I don't see how it's on easy at all. But because it's going to still weed out those who are in it and those who ain't in it. Those who are out it. And those who are out it ain't about it, so they might as well be out it. And I'm about to out it. Now, here I go with the flow. Now, check it out. Tips and tactics and tractors. What we going to do about it? What we going to do? Let's talk about it. YouTube on easy mode? Hell no. Ain't nothing easy about this player. But then again, nothing that we want comes easily. Nothing good, nothing worth it comes easily, right? So I wouldn't have it any other way. And this is my transformation. This whole process of me doing these videos and making this content is my transformation as a person. And it's the catalyst for me creating what I call abstract personal development. Because it's unique for each person what's going to save them. And I can show you what's saving me. And doing these videos is saving me. And the tips and things I can give you right now, I'm going to give it to you. Within the first minutes, I'm going to kick it off. Within the first few minutes, I'm going to kick it off. Here it goes. Optimize. Man, check it out, yo. Go do some research. See what titles are trending. Trending titles. Getting down with the details. Like repeating phrases and words in the details. And using those details to place a subscribe link. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go research this for yourself and figure out the fine aspects and details about how to get down and do this yourself. But create a subscription URL. You know what I'm saying? Put that in your details. You know what I'm saying? When you post a video, make a comment. Pin your comment to the chat. Put your URL. Put your subscribe URL in that comment. I'm going to run it down to you real quick. Because ain't nothing easy about this. Do these things sound like they're just easy? Do you just do them? They don't just happen. Anyway, we going to keep it rolling. Keep rolling. Consistency, man. But scheduling, make the content, Today, I made a video. I wanted to post that thing up immediately. But let me tell you, let me give you this. I went ahead and scheduled it for tomorrow anyway, because I want AI to have its time to analyze and put it in front of the right audience. And then in the details, like I said, repeating phrases, repeating words, mention names of creators and artists and people who are in the realm and niche you're within, and that you respect and admire, and actually follow yourself and put them in the details in some relevant way, as in just mentioning these are your influences, perhaps. That way you can kind of piggyback off their stuff too. I'm gonna run down the whole list of things that I've discovered since I've started making these YouTube videos. And I could tell you, I know I've been at it for more than 30 days, and I know I've been within that 30 days. I may have missed one or two. So, YouTube on easy mode. Yeah, I'm doing the damn thing. I'm out here. So peace to anybody who's doing it and having success. I'm proud of y'all, and I wish you more success. Peace to anybody who's just starting out now and might find this video. Don't ever be discouraged or doubt what your journey or path is about, because there are things going on in the background, and I have no doubt, and I understand this, and I understand that I need to fine tune my approach still. So it's like I can't ever just get stagnant and stop fine-tuning my thing, because I have to look at what's working for me. And I've barely even cracked looking at the analytics and all that stuff, because I'm trying not to let that cloud what I'm doing, or be too concerned about that, because I understand that what's important is me getting used to creating content on a regular basis and getting the basics down. Getting the basics and the most simple things down really well, to where those are like second nature to me. Okay. What else? There's ways to within the studio, when I'm making my video, when I'm about to post it, and I'm putting in the information, and I can decide which country it's supposed to be focused to. I want to use the first world countries, and those are U.S., Canada, Australia, UK. But it's only going to go to one country at a time. I can only hit one country at a time. Like I said, you'll have to go in and determine exactly what I'm talking about for yourself, but maybe I'm sparking your mind right now. Definitely use the cards. Definitely use at the end, before the video, before you're done uploading the video, use the cards, you know what I'm saying, where you can have within the video, it pops up with an opportunity for the viewer to select whatever you want to put up there, whether it's a playlist, a specific video, or whatever, and what else? And set up the end screen too. Set up the end screen with the prompt for the user or the viewer to subscribe, and kind of come up with a loose format for how your video is gonna get down. See, I came with the hook at the beginning of mine now. That's just how I'm doing it, and that way it's an easy way for me, and a catchy way for me to run down to you exactly what to expect from my videos. This video, I'm talking about YouTube tips and how I'm growing my YouTube channel, and the biggest thing I can't stress enough: commune, y'all. As far as getting those subscribers, it's gonna be the people who are on YouTube, that do that. It ain't gonna be just random people who are all over. So use your media platforms, commune all over the place, and try to funnel that towards the YouTube channel. But the goal here is to find the genuine audience, the real audience, the ones that actually want to hear what I have to say. And to do that, I have to kind of get out of my own way and not force feed it to people who don't want to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Because that's going to confuse the algorithm. Hear me on this, man. It's like I was tempted at first to force feed it to people on my social media platforms that don't pay attention to what I'm doing anyway. So even if they did click my stuff to support me in the least bit, they ain't gonna watch it like that, and then they may never come back, and that's gonna throw off the algorithm on who to send it to, because it does pay it, they got info on everybody, so they know what's up, they know who's out there. And also, for me, this is one thing I'm doing. I don't know if it's the best thing or not, because it can confuse the thing I know, and it can confuse people, but my channel, I'm finding a way to streamline it. It's all under personal development. Everything I do is about personal development, because this is how I save myself. And you can choose to pick and choose what can work for you, what can say. I can't save you though, but see, I can suggest these are the things that I'm doing that's saving me. So take what you will. But so that's the overall theme of my channel. But on my channel, there's also music that I create. It's 100% original and all that, produced, engineered. If it ain't me, it's a close friend of mine that's producing the beats, but it's all engineered and recorded by myself. Lyrics written. So that's there. It's something I've been doing, and I got videos where I'm doing a few of all sorts of other things. I've realized though, it's about how I package those videos and the details I provide behind them, so those specific videos can reach the right audience, whether it's me doing artwork, me music I'm putting out there, or whatever. But I'm trying to get all the views and subscribers from all those different things on the same channel. You know what I'm saying? That's just what I'm doing. I do yoga, I do meditation, I do these things, are health things like that. So I got videos about those things too, but And then I got playlists where you can specifically find those type of videos if you visit my channel, whatever you're trying to look for. Optimize the channel, man. Optimize it. And keep studying. Like, there's two sides to this coin to study. I have to study the art and the science. And I've barely cracked the book on the science, because it's the science. When I say the science, I mean the algorithm. Studying that and how that hits and understanding how that works. Here's a big gem. Here's a gem for y'all. Like, someone like Mr. Beast makes videos and he doesn't care if people reuse them. Like, so I can actually reuse his video within the YouTube studio on the app, and you can go to Remix when you pull up one of his videos. And I'm only saying his name because I'm sure that he doesn't mind. Other than that, other than him, there's a process that you have to undergo to be sure that you don't use somebody's video that you shouldn't be, and end up getting red flagged, you know. And I'm gonna pledge right now, I'm gonna attempt to use little to zero profanity within my speech, and understand that anybody could be viewing this. Anybody could be viewing this. So, man, and let me take a moment to encourage loving yourself, because this YouTube doing this YouTube thing is motivating me to love myself more, so I can show up as the best version of me possible. And this is one way that I've been able to start, you know, to save myself and rise up, y'all. And, you know, so posting every day, scheduling it out, letting the algorithm time to analyze so it can get to the right audience. And there's places like Quora and Reddit. Those are websites at which you can find conversations or questions and answer them with a legitimate answer, and then use content from I can use content from my channel as part of the answer to refer them to my channel, and hopefully get a subscriber that way, you know. But as far as like easy mode, it ain't easy. Ain't nothing easy. Ain't no easy part about this. What? If it was easy, it'd be like 1, 2, 3, done. Nah, ain't no easy. It ain't been easy for me. Yeah, well, if it's been easy for you, put it in the comments. If it ain't been easy for you, put it in the comments. We can commune together, y'all. Lift each other up. Maybe if it has been easy for you, let us in on something maybe I haven't mentioned yet. Something I can also say is, like, you know, I'm really learning to optimize my thumbnails. And to do that, I've got 3 different pieces of software I use, 3 different apps. One is Canva, one is Photoshop Express, and the other one's a simple background removal app. It's a free one, so I got that. I need all of them, honestly. I need one of them to optimize the photo, one of them to remove the background, and one of them to make the thumbnail design with. And it wasn't until just recently I figured that out, and because I didn't give Canva a chance. Give them all a chance, yo. Get familiar with them, you know. Understand it's a learning process, and I gotta be patient with myself, you know. And don't. And really, to me, it is inevitable that this will pay off. It will be successful, because what's behind it for me is my motivator, and my why is helping myself so I can help others. And my source is my life and what I'm doing in my life to change my life. My own personal development. So, like, with those 2 things, I advise anybody who's starting out or trying to figure out how to approach this to consider those 2 things. Have a why and a source. A why am I doing this? What's the purpose behind it? What's the motivator behind it? And have a source from which the content comes from. Whether you're a race car driver, a cook, a fireman, or you just like to make videos of yourself in your backyard playing with your dog. You feel me? So this is the real deal, Holyfield, coming from the Southwest. I am the Southwest Shaman, the Arizona Sun, the Earl of Arizona, once again. Back with love from AZ, Stereo Fix 888. Here to get to you. Nothing but that. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding, justice, freedom, equality, love, peace, and happiness. Fear is only false evidence appearing real. So every day I can get on here, I'm combating fear, and I'm crucifying the flesh, and I'm stepping up my game, because I'm disciplining myself in a way. I'm making myself do videos at times. I don't really feel like it, but it's so cleansing and it's like a powerful thing for me as far as processing thought, emotions, and trauma even, and things that are just down in there. And it's like there's a book I have that suggests this. Man, I use different times of the day to study, and I'm trying to, I'm always, there's certain creators who are inspiring me right now, so I'm studying the things that they're suggesting, and I'm just using them. This is a big gem. I'm using their content as fuel. Every time I go to create, I hop on and I turn on a few of their videos, and I figure out what's going on with them, and then by the time I'm done watching theirs, I'm motivated and I'm inspired, and I don't want to mess up anybody's name or like give the wrong name, so I'm sorry I can't give you the name for now. I'm gonna put a name in a comment and pin it to the comment section of this video, or the names of people who are inspiring me, people who I use your content as fuel every time I go to create and post. This is part of my process, so I'd advise you just to create a process, man. This is every time I get down, like I do it early in the morning, so I can be in my flow state, undisturbed. You know what I'm saying? I can take my time, I consume some content, get in the zone, get myself ready, and then I make a video, and then honestly after that, there's other things I'm doing, such as working out and other things, and then I get inspired by that, and I want to share what I'm doing there, so I make a video there. And then next thing I know, I have a few videos, so then I'm able to schedule them out, and then once I accumulate, if I can make enough content over the course of a couple of days, I can schedule out videos and then be good for like however many days I've got them scheduled out. And then go about doing other stuff. It's a beautiful thing, really, when you think about it, to have it like that. Wow, And it's only giving AI more and more time to work on it and build and analyze the video and figure out where to put it. So, and don't play, hate, congratulate, emancipate. Let's elevate. You know what I'm saying? Positive energy activates constant elevation. You know what that acronym is? That acronym is peace. Peace, Thank you once again. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is where you at. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Just let it flow. Rock with it. It's meant to be. It's meant to go where it's supposed to go. Trust in yourself. Alright? Let's roll. Stereo Fix 888, y'all. Peace.